Flexible screens have reshaped phones and TVs, and now they're making their way into your workspace. Meet the UPERFECT Omega, a 22-inch foldable monitor that promises desktop-sized real estate in a bag-friendly form. But at over $2,000, is it worth it? At first glance, the Omega looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Unfold it, and you're staring at a seamless 3K touchscreen display with a sharp 2880 by 1800 resolution. Fold it, and it shrinks down to roughly the size of a 16-inch laptop. It's sleek, it's futuristic, it's very expensive. Unlike most so-called foldable monitors, which are really just two screens stuck together with a hinge, the Omega uses a single flexible OLED panel. That means no ugly gap in the middle, no chunky bezel, and a much cleaner, more immersive visual experience. It's built for people who live and work on the move. Freelancers, digital nomads, creative pros. Need to edit a video at a coffee shop? Present a pitch in a meeting room? Use it as a giant tablet on a plane? The Omega's got you covered, assuming you've got the cash. Here's the kicker. The 22-inch model will cost you $2,499.99. Even the smaller 17.3-inch version rings in at $1,999.99. That's laptop-level money for a monitor. No doubt, it's impressive tech, but is it essential? Flexible displays are still young. That futuristic folding panel, it's also more delicate than your average screen. One bad drop or too much bending, and you could be looking at an expensive regret. And since the Omega doesn't split in two, it's all or nothing, working in tight spaces can be a pain. If you're constantly traveling and absolutely need a large, uninterrupted screen on the go, the UPERFECT Omega might just be your dream display. But for everyone else, that jaw-dropping price, combined with real-world limitations, might make you appreciate your old external monitor a little more. Would you drop nearly $2,500 for a foldable screen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into next-gen tech.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.